If you've ever seen a group of otters sleeping, you may have noticed that they like to hold hands while they do it. Even though they're not related, this behavior has led some people to call them the cutest little girlfriends or boyfriends, but there's a real reason behind why they do this. And it's not because they're trying to be cute. In the wild, otters are preyed upon by animals such as coyotes, wolves, bears, and humans. Because of this, otters need to be constantly aware of their surroundings so they can be ready to escape if a predator shows up. If an otter lets its guard down, it could get hurt or even killed. When an otter falls asleep, it enters a state called system, a sleep, which is the same as the first stage of sleep in humans. During this stage, an otter's brain is still active, and it can easily be woken up by loud noises or sudden movements. An awake otter usually keeps at least one eye open to watch out for danger. Even when they're sleeping with their friends, they never let go of each other. This is so that if a predator does approach, they can quickly swim away. Sometimes a group of otters will form a circle while they sleep, with each otter holding on to the one in front of it. By doing this, they ensure that the whole group is ready to flee if necessary. Since otters sleep while floating in the water, they also use their paws to push themselves back up to the surface if they start to sink. There are several adorable videos of sleeping otters online. In one video from South Africa, a group of otters can be seen dozing off while holding each other. A tourist spotted the adorable scene while on a boat. The otters were fast asleep, their little heads bobbing up and down as they drifted off. Every once in a while, one of the otters would reach out a paw to make sure their friend didn't wander too far away. It's important to note that these sea otters aren't just any ordinary sea otters. They actually belong to a subspecies called the Cape sea otter. There are only about 3,000 mature Cape sea otters left in the world. This makes them a rare and endangered species. Fortunately, thanks to conservation efforts, their numbers are slowly beginning to increase. If you visit South Africa, you might be lucky enough to see a pod of these adorable creatures. But please remember that while they may look cute, they are still wild animals. So it's important to admire them from a distance and not disturb them. Another video of sleeping otters was captured in Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary in California. A research vessel was surveying the seafloor when the crew spotted a group of otters napping. They carefully approached the otters so they wouldn't wake them up. The otters looked so peaceful as they slept, their little bodies curled up in a ball. It's amazing to think that these adorable creatures have to sleep with one eye open in the wild. So the next time you see a video of otters sleeping while holding hands, remember that they're not just being cute. They're actually protecting themselves from predators. Being social animals, they take turns keeping watch over their sleeping friends. This ensures that everyone gets a chance to rest. And who knows, maybe one day we'll learn from otters and humans will be able to sleep peacefully without worrying about what's going on around them. That would certainly be a dream come true. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe so you never miss out on our future content.